Alright, I made this on the Arduino. It has two different power supplies. One supply is running the Arduino, the other one is running this fan. What it is a temperature regulator. It keeps the temperature cool. If I can find a pencil, I'll show you what it does. Inside here, right in there, there's a little black dot. That's a thermistor. It takes temperature reading and puts it into a resistance level of electrons. The variable resistor next to it, that one, you could tune it to get to the right temperature. And it's telling the temperature right there. Takes a reading like every second. And what's going on is I figured out how to, when it's nice and cool, 78 degrees I believe, it flashes this green light, everything's okay. Then when it gets over 78 degrees, what it does is it'll kick on and cool down the thermistor with the fan. And the red LED comes on, fan kicks on, as you can hear it, cooling down the thermistor. Now the fan is being powered by this LiPo battery, and it's got like 7.4 volts going through it. The Arduino also not only controls all this stuff going on, but it also controls this relay, which it's every time it hits over 78 degrees, the relay kicks on, closing the circuit for the battery to the fan, and kicks on the fan, cooling down. Now I did try it with a different battery, but this one seems to power it good. It's also rechargeable, so I don't have to worry about it. My hand's next to it, so it's picking up that heat. But it's a pretty cool program and pretty straightforward. Now, this is the program, and you see it's got the green flasher, the red LED as well, and then the fan pin to number 12. It's all digital. The serial right here, that means it's talking through the serial connection to the computer and telling it what's the temperature. Now remember, you have to tune that, so it's pretty hard to tune, but it can be doable. It's meant to print out on the computer the Fahrenheit reading from analog 0, which it is, and that's what you get right there. But every time, if it analog 0, which is the thermistor, if it reads greater than 77 degrees, it kicks on the green flash, or no, the red LED to high, kicks it on. Also the fan pin kicks it on, and if it's not, well, it kicks on the green to flash every a 20th of a second, and flash back on and off, and then the red LED to turn off, the fan to turn off. Pretty cool, pretty easy program to write. There's the temperature. The wiring's all haywire, but that's the shortest wire that I got, which is this one. Just bought another pack today down at Fry's Electronics. I was surprised they didn't carry a thermistor, so I had to take a thermistor out of a little gadget that I had that reads temperature. But I wanted to be able to run my own programs. Pretty cool.